AC O-rings versus sealing washers on R4 compressors. I got a question today from Daniel, and he asked me why his AC manifold on his 123 isn't sealing. So we're going to delve into that in a second, but first a quick reminder to consider subscribing if you haven't already, and to share and like our videos, and also click the little bell so that you know when we drop a new video onto YouTube. All right, back to the topic. Now, these are the AC compressor sealing washers or sealing discs that you would get on a 123 series. These are from our favorite provider of Mercedes 123 compressor parts, Compressor Works in Dallas, Texas. Good job, guys, if any of you are watching. The R4 compressor is back to reliable standards again, so we've had a very good time using Compressor Works items. Now, back to the sealing washers. If you're replacing your AC compressor on your 123 or 126 or 116 diesel, the most important thing you should know when exchanging an R4 compressor is that the compressors that take two rubber O-rings between the compressor and the manifold do not seal. They never seal, they always leak because of diesel engine vibrations. If for some reason you have an 84 190 gas model, then that can also be an issue. So what do? Well, most compressors nowadays, but not all, come with these nice little sealing washers, and often in the package you're going to find a red one, a green one, and a gold one. The first thing you should do is take the two red ones and don't use them. Set them aside. I hate to say pitch them, but find another use for them because that's not where they go. You're going to take the green sealing washer and the gold sealing washer, and you're going to put the gold one on the low pressure side and the green one on the high pressure side. So the high pressure side is the outboard side towards the front towards the front left fender. Then make sure to torque them nicely to about 22 foot-pounds, thereabouts, but you want to make sure that they seal, and go ahead and vacuum test the system. But you've got to use these sealing washers. These are the revised design that Mercedes came out with. A lot of third-party rebuilders such as AC Delco or Four Seasons will still try to sell you a rotary compressor that takes both of the O-rings in the rear, and they just don't work. They always leak. So if you're having a leak from your compressor, that's one possible explanation. The next one is that manifold may not be totally flat. If somebody is over-tightening the manifold and deforming it so that it's V-shaped because it is one central bolt, it's never going to seal. And so I strongly advise anybody who has one of these cars to check that back plate of the manifold with the straight edge on the top and bottom and make sure that it is flat. Anyway, Daniel, this one's for you. Good luck with your 123 84 Euro 300D. And hopefully you've got a compressor that takes these sealing washers in the rear. Thanks, and think about supporting us at Patreon. And if you have any more AC woes, drop us a line, and take good care of your Mercedes Benz.